how you can deploy your final Python file into the production environment. First, you need to create one folder in desktop, custom menu. Under this, we have to create three folder. First folder called as a application, second folder called as a bitmap, and third folder called as a startup. We have already created some sample file for that, like custom menu. We copy two images and paste in a bitmap folder. Similarly, we copy the Python file .py file and the paste in the application folder. Again, similarly, we copy the .menu file .rtb file and the paste in a startup folder. Here, all configuration is done. So we need to define the relation between Python file, custom menu file, .rtb file and the bitmap file. Open the .menu file in the notepad. Here, you need to mention the button details like button name, label and and action. First, I need to copy the Python file name with extension. In action, we need to paste a Python file full path. So define the label name. Here you can be use a spacing in label, but button you cannot be use a space. So we can be use a underscore. This detail is completed for one button. So I need to copy all three rows and the paste in the below of action. During the file name, we got some confusion for that. So we change or renaming the original Python files. After done these changes, we need to update the py file. We update the proper py file with respect to the buttons. Here we completed the bitmap label and action details in the .menu file. So similarly, we connect this detail to the .rtb file. Open this RTB file in Notepad. Copy the all button names and update in the custom bitmap. With that respectively, please update the bitmap image location path in RTB file. Kindly update the environment variable in a bitmap locations. So they have to concatenate the environment variable value and the remaining path of the image. Now just we add the environment variable in a main startup application folder. So right click on the over the main script, go to the over the path where is my startup. Now here in above we added a environment variable. First we need to define as a set with the first syntax. This is a UGIR underscore user underscore dir, and after that we have to add the path of the locations. After that, just double click it now in the main script and press a 1. So our NX is startup. Now you can see here, this is a custom tab is available. You can see. So we need to create one model file as a template for the reference purpose and click to the custom button. So now there is a two buttons is available. You can see only update the .bmp file. .png file is not able to update. Always prefer a .bmp file. To configuration. First I'm clicking the open folder directory. It's automatically open the directory. Second I will save the part file and check it. After saving, I will click on again the open directory. It's working. So just we save as a new folder on here. For again I am testing the open file directory. Now you can see it's successful working. If I'm clicking the when you click to the part preview, it's automatically view or preview the model file.